guys, welcome back to our channel, and today it is snowing. So there's nothing more comforting than eating a nice warm batch of chocolate chip cookies. So Haley today is gonna take over and make her famous chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoy them. Let's get started.
So here I have a bowl of melted butter, and the measurements are in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and add in some light brown sugar and some white granulated sugar to my butter. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in some salt, a few eggs, and a splash of vanilla extract, and whisk. So now that I got all my wet ingredients combined, I'm going to go ahead and start adding my dry ingredients. So here I have some all-purpose flour, and so that it's not very clumpy, I'm going to go ahead and just put it into a sieve and just put it into our wet ingredients. So now that I have all of my flour sifted, I'm going to go ahead and fold this, and you don't want to overmix, otherwise you're going to get a very cakey cookie dough. So once you have it slightly mixed in, you're going to go ahead and add in a little bit of baking soda to help it spread so that you get a really nice flat cookie. And then just continue to fold, and then we can go on to our next step. So I have my dough formed, and we're going to go ahead and add in our chocolate chips. You can add as many as you would like to. So add a little bit at a time so you know how much there's going to be. And if you want more, just add a little more. And then mix it in. So now that my beautiful cookie batter is all formed, we're going to go ahead and just put this in our fridge for 10 minutes. So with clean hands, just take it and put it onto a piece of plastic wrap and hold it up.
Sorry, Jenna's in the background with kids. Why do you have to put it in plastic wrap? I don't know why. Maybe other people are asking.
This is just to save room in the fridge. I'll show you what to do after the 10 minutes is up. So I got my dough out of the fridge, and I just preheated my oven to 350, and now I'm going to go ahead and start making the balls. So go ahead and make some little rolls of dough, about 2 tablespoons. And put them about 1 inch apart. You want to do that thing? That's how they look. I just let them set for about 10 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave your suggestions in the comment box. And we will be doing a Q&A, so ask us any questions. As you can see, we already ate like a whole bunch of cookies because they're really good. So definitely give this recipe a try because you won't regret it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.